Hello friends, today I came some 13 kilometers away from my place while cycling, and one of you have actually suggested me that I should try making a video about how this suspension actually helps in cycling, and then what is the effect of riding without using the suspension and with using the suspension. So right now you can see the suspension is on. I am turning it on lock position, and then I will ride and I will show you how this is actually is it making any difference in speed and riding effort. And then I will take a village road so that you also get some idea about the rural life here. So let's start. ले रहे हैं, तुमको हेलो करना है, आ जाओ सामने, हेलो कर लो। तुमको भी करना है, कर लो, गुड। किसको किसको हेलो करना है? चलो बाय। So let's stop here also and let's see this Ganpati. So you can see a beautiful idol. One difference that I noticed with suspension off, that is lock mode, and riding is that I have to put somewhat lesser effort in pedaling, or the same effort is actually giving me more result. So there is very small statue here. So let's see this one also. So you can see all the kids are enjoying. Hello. So you can see Ganesh ji, Shiv ji and Parvati ji. ये तुम बच्चों ने लगाई है क्या? हाँ? ओके, गुड, बढ़िया। So only thing is that with suspension off you will be feeling some jerk while navigating, not a very smooth road. So now I am actually switching on the suspension. So I turned the suspension on now, and immediately I can feel that I have to push the cycle slightly harder now for the same level of effort. One interesting thing that I noticed is that you cannot switch on the lock while riding. You have to get down and somehow you have to push your handlebar once so that the suspension is engaged and then disengaged, and then you lock it. So this is something interesting you should remember. So don't push very hard in locking suspension while riding itself, otherwise you may break the lock and unlock switch. So right now suspension is on, so let me again off it, lock it, and then see what happens.
47 minutes 54 seconds. Current speed 15.8 kilometers per hour.
So how do I do this?
15.8
You have to push your
kilometers per hour.
bike like this
Workout pause.
once and then take it and lock it. Done. So now again starting the ride, I am switching off the battery. Still I am feeling it easier to pedal, so my pedaling is giving me more push than it was earlier. So I noticed one beautiful scene, so let me capture this one. I keep on doing both these things, cycling as well as taking good scenes in my camera. So you might be noticing the clouds passing by. My tip is this, that when you are feeling tired after riding and you are not going to have very bumpy road ahead, then just lock your suspension by turning the knob towards W. So that will give you much better result of your efforts than when it was with suspension on. So right now I am going nicely, but then the road is bumpy, so I am switching on the suspension, and it is possible to switch on the suspension once it is locked, even if you are riding it. So basically the idea is this: when you are riding, the suspension is somewhat depressed in its groove, so you have to get off and disengage it from there to lock it. But for unlocking, it is not engaged at all in the first place, so you can unlock it without getting off. So see, now I am pedaling with suspension on, so you might be seeing that my video footage is more stable because the handlebar is not getting so much bumps now because of the suspension, but then I have to pedal very hard.